Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here. I'm so excited that you're back. Guys, this is a shared bedroom for my kids. I have a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old, and I'm so excited. If you want to see the before house bedroom tour of the kids' room, please look at the video before that. It's titled kids shared bedroom tour. I'm so excited because I revamped everything here, and I want to take you guys through the whole bedroom. Stay tuned. So guys, I wanted when the kids come in this room, since it's their bedroom, it's their sanctuary, I wanted to make it very comfortable and cozy. My daughter loves colors, she loves butterflies, she loves Paris, she loves anything girly. And my son is the same thing, loves anything masculine, anything boyish. So I wanted to make sure that when they come in their room, they can feel like this is the private sanctuary. So I went with neutral bedding, and I'm super excited about it. And the beds are from American Furniture Warehouse. The blankets, I got it at a Facebook Marketplace, guys. As you know, if you've been following me, I am a thrifter, and it's no news to anybody. I refuse to pay full price for anything if I don't have to. Furniture pieces, I will, because I don't want to grab any type of insect. You know what I mean when I say that? So I want them to be brand new. In this case, you can find furniture pieces that are not brand new, that have been used secondhand, and are super clean. So definitely think about that, guys. So guys, this wall decal that you've been seeing on the wall, I got each one of them from Dollar Tree. Guys, they were $1 for all of those, and I am in love with them. I couldn't believe my eyes when I seen them. All you need to know is how to put them together and put them correctly, and you can make your wall look super cool. These one, which is the world, I got it also at the Dollar Tree. Everything on the wall here, which are the wall decal, are from the Dollar Tree. So guys, do not skip on the Dollar Tree when it comes to decorations. So this is the entrance of the kids' room. Let me just give you an overview. So guys, let me give you guys some details of what we have here, because I know some people will ask about some things in the comment below. So let me just give you some details here. As I mentioned, all the wall decals are from Dollar Tree. The dream sign, which is on the other side as well, which is love, is both from it's from Home Goods. I love American Furniture, so most of my furnitures are from there. So the N sign and the B sign are from a Facebook Marketplace vendor. So I got both of them there. So the Winnie the Pooh sign and the elephant and the giraffe, I got it from a garage sale because I want this to be a kid's room, because it is a kid's room. I don't want it to be too perfect, too proper, but actually wanted to keep it clean. If I can keep it like that all the time, I will do it. But I can't because they have to sleep there. So guys, behind the door there, I have the shoe rack or an organization rack, which you can place different things there. And I love it. I can put flip-flops and, I can put her little bathing suit, just different knickknacks. So it's off the floor. And let me give you a look in the closet as well. And I'm going to talk about the closet, how I begin to organize it. And I'm in love with it. So guys, behind their closet, I kept some jackets for, spring and summer, because sometimes it can get a little chilly here in the springtime. It is summer, but it's not quite summer yet because it gets raining at night. So I keep it there just for safekeeping. So if you don't need it, we can just grab it and go. So guys, now we're entering my daughter and son's closet. I keep all the clothes in the exact same closet and it works perfectly for us. So she has a jojobo backpack and this little bin right there. We keep extra hangers so that when I do laundry, I can go ahead and add it there. And on the right side is my daughter's closet. On the left side is both of my son's closet. And that tactic really worked. In those bin, I have African clothes. If you're an African mom, you always have African clothes for your kids, but don't know where to put it. So I always put them in a bin. Right there, she has her homework and her schoolwork things that we do put there. And I really like it, guys. Right on those things, guys, I believe there are photo frames for pictures, but I use it to hang her bows there, and I really like it. If any other mom does that, please do let me know, because I think that's a great method. If you don't want to lose any of your kids' bow, definitely do that. I use the exact same thing as well, but in a smaller scale for both of my sons. Bow tie, all I have to do is hang it there and it's all good to go. This video was so much fun for me to film for you guys. Please guys, support my channel by clicking on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you do not miss any videos coming from me, and watch some of my other videos, or you can watch all of them, that's up to you. But thank you so much guys for coming back, and more videos will be coming your way next week, to be the exact. God bless you all. Have a good day. Continue to watch the video. There's more to come.